This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Here's a product I got from Amazon. This is fun for kids to hook these up on a piece of wood that they can use to climb, and also to do things like American Ninja training. You can do that for adults and or rock climbers, build up your strength. These are pretty cool. Simple. I think this is only about 40 bucks. Come in different colors. And you have mounting hardware that comes with it. So nice bolts to go in, and then a nut to hold them from behind. You have directions. Tells you what tools you would need, how to put in the bolt, have the washer behind it. So it's pretty fun. We're going to go ahead and install some of these. What I like to do for more for adult type climbing is put one right here and then one right here, so you can grab and then have another one. So I hold on with this one, reach out, grab one here, come over, and then do the same thing, just to work on grip strength and swinging. You could do that with an extension ladder like this, but this would be a little bit better for grip strength. It comes with 5 blues, 5 reds, 5 greens, 5 yellows, 5 orange. So you have 25 of these in total. So you could make a pretty good climbing wall. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.